technology unboxing. So this is finally in horizontal aspect ratio unboxing, landscape orientation, because several of the videos lately is just focused on the portrait orientation, which is basically I just don't know when I finally able to process and upload this kind of video, because I definitely need to use other offline video editor besides iMovie, because iMovie is just not possible. It's basically possible, but it will not produce the same aspect ratio, so it will automatically change into horizontal one. So this is actually the unboxing video that I've been not doing it for a while as well, because the last package that I basically received is actually more than a month ago, so it's already pretty long. So the one that I currently unboxed is actually the one that I just recently received, because I just tried to bought secondhand to the toys that basically didn't have any decrease of value, but since I'm just really like to bought secondhand stuff, so that's the reason why I'm just trying to bought it immediately, since it's been a while for me to not utilize any kind of free shipping promotion from my favorite marketplace as well, so that's the reason why. And basically this is actually the things that I used to collect for many years ago when I was still in junior high school, perhaps, or even senior high school, that I tried to bought in the, I don't know, traditional market near my brother's apartment, even though right now it's no longer exists. Just, even though, at the same exact point, so I did a little bit move on in different or places, perhaps, I'm not sure. So it's not like it used to be, because it's already built highway there, so that's the reason why they did into other places to sell toys. So I used to collect more serious toys, because this kind of hobbies can be quite expensive as well, but for some reason I definitely don't waste so much money right now, so that's the reason why. So that's the reason why right now I just try to bought as cheap as possible. I'm just curious how this actually works. So it was actually a spring system, but for some reason the spring is actually not need to pull out the slide backwards, so it's actually pulled by the trigger, so the trigger is pretty heavy, but I just don't know why. It's just this kind of system is actually pretty good, because it's able to produce quite heavy blowback, just like a gas type, but it's definitely a cheaper version, and it's definitely more realistic as well, because there are a shell that was ejected just like a real steel. So but I just don't know why there are only several types. The third one is which is the Desert Eagle, the Globe, and the M1 1911, but the 1911 is just not realistic at all in terms of the model, so that's the reason why next time I'll probably just bought the Globe instead. And this Desert Eagle is actually pretty cool as well, especially in the silver colors. So yeah, it's like the end of the music video because everything just